In this video, we will learn about the object recording feature available in WorkFusion Studio. Object Recorder has been introduced as a default approach for recording various desktop operations to replace image-based automation. Image-based automation still exists and can be used as a fallback option for automating Flash or Citrix-based applications. Previously, a bot would identify the target element by taking screenshots. This meant that a mouse action would not be performed in case the specified image was not found. With Object Recorder, the bot locates UI elements by their unique identifier, called selector, to perform actions. In most cases, the object recording approach is the most reliable. It is independent of the element's color, size, text, or other attributes which can be different from one computer to another. Let's record some actions. To start recording UI selectors, press Replace with New Recording. Let's make a voice recording and delete it. If we look into the recorded script, we will see a set of mouse clicks inside the window Voice Recorder. The recorder captured UI selectors of all elements we clicked. With this approach, even if we change the user's theme, the bot still will be able to identify target elements and execute the script. Note that while recording, beside populating selectors, the system will continue to take screenshots of clicked elements. So if you need to switch to the image-based mode for a particular action, just choose the Image option. If you are automating a more complex use case with if conditions or loops, most likely you will be building it manually. In this case, RPA Recorder also helps you to get the selector of the target UI element. For that, click on Capture from Screen. Then, with the Control key pressed, click and open the necessary window until you get to the view that contains the element you want to interact with. Hover the mouse over the target UI element, release Control, and click. The system will capture the selector of the highlighted element from the last click. If you change your mind and decide to exit from the capture mode without recording the selector, please press the Escape button. This script will open a WordPad window and enter the word TEST 4 times, each time increasing the font size. The selector captured by the system can be adjusted manually. For example, in some cases, you might need to remove details such as text displayed in the element. This will make the script universally applicable.